All right, my friends. So today for math, it is game day, which I know is one of your favorite days of the week because it gives you the chance to beat your parents in a math game. And it's a lot of fun because this week we've been using dice a lot, and I've decided that I really like shaking my phone for the dice instead of having real dice in my hand. I feel it is more satisfying to shake the dice on my phone. Maybe it's because my phone shakes when I shake the dice. So today you're going to need your game board. You are going to need two different kinds of counters. So I know that in the past we've been using goldfish and cereal or marshmallows and the Lucky Charms, and you've got two different kinds of marshmallows or even little toys. If you've got nothing, scraps of paper are fine. You could use a colored piece of paper and a regular piece of paper. You could just use whatever you have at home. The paper suggests beans, but not many of you. I don't have dried beans at my house to use. So you're going to need this. We do not want to use marker as our markers because sometimes it's fun to play more than once. And tomorrow's work is on the back. So if you write on this in marker, it's going to be really hard to see your work tomorrow. So don't use marker. Don't use crayon. Don't use colored pencil. Use things that you can move around on the board. Now, parents, the paper says to create sets of number cards for the tens and the ones. You do not need to do that. Using the dice and shaking a dice is perfectly acceptable and I think a lot more fun than just drawing a card out of a pile. And then I have my whiteboard behind me so that I can write down my numbers so I don't forget what number I've shaken on my dice. Sorry, I almost tried to cough there because I just finished my coffee. I'm going to move you a little bit closer so you can see the whiteboard. So the goal of our game today is to make a two-digit number with tens and ones. So I'm going to just write this little column on my paper because it helps me know what I'm doing. It might help you if you want to make it. If you don't, that's okay too. So I have the tens and the ones. Because when I squish that number together, I will get a two-digit number. So I'm going to shake my dice the first time for how many tens are going to be in my number. It's swirling and swirling and swirling and swirling, and we landed on the number 3. So I have 3 tens, which we know is 30. And how many ones? Please don't be a 3. Please don't be a 3. It is a 2. And I have 2 ones. That would look like this if I was drawing it out. 3 sticks, 2 little ones. And when I put the number next to each other, I get the number 32. Now it's my turn on the game board, so I'm going to look on the game board for the number 32. I see it. It is right over here. It has a 3 and a 2. So I would put my marker on that spot. And then it's whoever I'm playing with's turn. It could be mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, not the family pet. Tadpole would not be very helpful in this. I'm going to erase and show you one more time how I would do it. Do what works best for you, but this is a good start on what it should look like. So I'm going to find out how many tens I've got. We'll pretend I'm Tadpole without any opposable thumbs. It is the number 6. So I have 6 tens. Shake, shake, shake. And I have 4 ones. I put that number next to each other. I get 64. Then I'm going to look on my paper for the number 64. It is right here, and I will put my marker on that. And this is one of those, the first person to have 4 in a row, like Connect 4, is the person that wins. I hope you have a fabulous time practicing your numbers with tens and ones and shaking the dice. If you want to make cards, that's fine too, but I think the dice is the better way to go. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you tomorrow.